Hi to all. Today we are going to discuss about the types of organic reactions. We know that organic compounds mainly undergoing the covalent reactions, and these reactions, depending upon the reagents, there are so many types of reactions. Now let us see the number one. Substitution reactions. Number two, addition reactions. Number three, rearrangement reactions. Number four, elimination reactions. Let us see one by one. The very first one is substitution reactions. In these reactions, one of the hydrogen atom is substituted either by an electrophile or a nucleophile or by a free radical. Hence, these are divided into three types. One is nucleophilic, second one is electrophilic, third one is free radical. This nucleophilic, depending upon the molecularity of the reactions, is classified into two types. One is substitution nucleophilic bimolecular, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. So these reactions depends upon the kinetics of the reactions. If you take number one, substitution nucleophilic bimolecular, these reactions depends upon both the nucleophile as well as the reactant. Hence it is a bimolecular reaction. And if you take the second one, substitution nucleophilic unimolecular, these reactions, they depends upon only the concentration of the reactants but not the nucleophile, and hence it is unimolecular reactions. Substitution nucleophilic bimolecular is represented by SN2 and substitution nucleophilic unimolecular is represented by SN1. So the first one is bimolecular reaction, second one is unimolecular reaction. So SN2 reactions follows the second order kinetics, while SN1 reaction follows the first order kinetics. So SN2 reaction takes place in one step and SN1 reaction will take place in two steps. So if you take an example for the substitution bimolecular nucleophilic reaction, the best example is alkali hydrolysis. Alkali hydrolysis of methyl bromide. This alkali hydrolysis of methyl bromide depends upon the concentration of alkali as well as the concentration of the methyl bromide, and hence it is a substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. So we can see the reaction CH3Br plus KOH, aqueous KOH gives rise to CH3OH plus KBr. So if you see this reaction, rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of methyl bromide and concentration of OH minus. Hence this reaction is called as nucleophilic substitution bimolecular reactions, since it depends upon the concentration of methyl bromide as well as the OH minus. It is a single step reaction. So if you see the mechanism, it takes place in single step, one step process. So if you take the methyl bromide, OH minus ion attacks to the carbon atom on the back side such that we get configuration of methyl bromide and methyl alcohol is entirely opposite. Hence this is called as Walden inversion. So in this, the reactant and the product configurations are same, while the reactant configuration is reversed when the reaction is proceeding, and at the final the product has the reverse of the reactant configuration. Hence, this inversion of configuration is called as Walden inversion. So the main feature is there is inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration in the products. That is a major role, that is a major factor in the case of SN2 reactions, where the product is formed with the reverse of the configuration of the reactant. And if you say, if originally if you say the reactant and product, if you observe differently in the outstanding compounds, they may have the same configuration. But in this reaction mechanism, we are getting the product of inversion of configurations. And if you see the factors that are determining this rate of reactions of SN2, the very first one is always 1 degree alkyl halides reacts more than 2 degree than 3 degree due to steric repulsions. And if you say the rate of the leaving group, iodide is always greater than chloride, is always greater than fluoride. So that is why we better to take iodides and bromides in this reaction. Now we are going to proceed for the substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reactions. The second one in this reaction, the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of the alkyl halide only, but not on the OH minus cells, where we are getting the products of 50% retention of configuration, 50% inversion of the configurations. So we shall see that later.